My name is Ray from Forget Me Not Creations LLC. I have a Speedy 300 80 watt, and I had it for about 6 months. We cut out a lot of craft stuff and tumblers, personalization. The quality and the customer service, and it's the top-notch laser out there. Well, one of my favorites is I did a button with my wife's craft on it, Kathy's Cozies, and I made her button for her craft business, which I love. My rep, Frank Fernandez, taught me a lot. He came out, and I didn't think I was gonna be able to work it, but he came out and showed me how to work it, and started doing stuff the same day, and Trotec's awesome. You guys are great.